Notice Gus has his hackles up. This is all play. He isn't offended that Trex tried to mount him. Now he's turning over on his stomach, total lack of submission, even though they're growling at each other. This is how dogs play with each other. Gus, quiet. See, the hackles are up on Gus, but he's not mad. He's excited. He's having fun. He's laying right there and letting Trex try to get the ball because that's the game.